Let's discuss the tree pose. Press your feet into the floor. Slowly bring your weight into one leg. Doesn't really matter which one. Turn the knee outward and place the sole of the foot against your ankle. And this is actually the first variation. There's different variations possible, but we start with this one. And then, can you feel the connection to the center of the body line? Mm-hmm. Yeah? So the body is working. And then bring the hands against the chest. Keep the shoulders down. So as you see, the shoulders are beautiful. Down, and the sternum lifts a little bit up. On an exhalation, feel the rooting of the standing leg into the floor, as if there is really roots, like on a real tree. The trunk moving upwards through the standing leg, through the spine, and then all the way up into the branches. We can even make branches. Sometimes we do this. Let's do this variation. Bring the hands up. And this is the line elongating, and then open the arms. This is the way. Here it's important to keep the shoulders low. So there is a tendency to lift the shoulders up, but we keep them down. And the center is activated. So bring the belly button a bit backwards into the spine. Sometimes the hips move to the side, but keep the hips forward. So it means that the knee is not going too far. And then breathing, breathing, breathing. Bring the hands back together in front of the chest. We'll do another variation. Just relax for a moment. So there's different variations where you can place the sole of the foot against the ankle is the first, right? And against the calf, the second. And the third is against the thigh. And as the foot presses into the thigh presses into the foot, bringing the inner line elongated. Okay, slowly bring your foot back to the floor. Okay. So try these different variations at home and slowly build up. Keep practicing.